Hello Monarchs, in this week's video I have a Saviland Gel X kit. Here's a brief look at what the kit came with. I did use my electric nail filer to file down the inside of the nail tips. It helps with sticking onto your natural nails, as well with filing down my actual nails. Do not forget to dust off all that residue from filing. I also used my cuticle tool to remove any extra dead skin. Now that I have both the tips and my nails prepared, let's get started on applying the tips. Of course, as you saw, the kit came with a bottle of nail glue and a UV lamp. Watch carefully as to how I'm applying the glue onto my tip because this method has helped me a lot. When placing onto nail, make sure it's straight and try to avoid any air bubbles. Place under UV lamp and cure. First nail done, let's continue on with the rest, doing the exact same thing. Now using my nail tip cutter, I will be cutting the tips to the length I prefer. Time to buff out that shine from the nails and of course dust off all that residue. Time for the fun part, nail polish. I'm using this LA Colors gel nail polish and the name Jazzy. Now to do the French tip design, must I say it's pretty easy and simple, but obviously it takes time and practice, very much a lot of patience. I like to start off in the middle as you can see, but it's all in the movements of your finger and the brush. From the brush, using the edge to get to the edge of your nail. I think I've done this method a couple times, but what has helped me a lot is having a small brush to fix any imperfections. Follow your natural curve line if you like, or you can also use a nude nail polish as a base and create your own curve for the French tip design. we have the first nail done, I will be doing the exact same thing to the rest of my nails. Of course, I did apply a butterfly sticker to my ring finger because why not? Now applying my gel top coat from Kiss. Curing the nails under my UV lamp because both the nail polish and the top coat are gel products. Last and final step is the cuticle oil, applying that to the cuticle area and smoothing it out onto my skin. Now the nails are complete. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!